In this video, let's talk about the Cedar Park housing market for 2020, where we think things are going into 2021. I'm Joyce Peterson, broker and owner of Kopa Real Estate. Our company specializes in real estate in the Cedar Park area. So if you're thinking about buying or selling a home in Cedar Park, please contact us directly. Let's first off, let's talk about what's very important when we're reviewing statistics is that this is a historical perspective of the housing market and not necessarily something that you should absolutely be making your decisions on or relying on these stats when pricing a home, buying or selling, right? So if we look at what happened all through 2020, boy, who didn't realize that that was a crazy year? And so that is definitely going to show up in the real estate statistics as well, because let's think about what happened. From real estate, we saw things coming up and then the market kind of dipped when we were in the pandemic, and then things really exploded as we were going at the end of the year. And if we look at the market indicators for 2021, we are going to see prices start the year probably 5 or 10% higher than they were even in October and November. So let's keep that in mind. And when you're looking at pricing a home, if you're looking at it from a buyer standpoint and you're going to be paying a price based on what you saw in September, you're probably not going to be able to buy the house. And if you're thinking about selling your home and you have an inexperienced real estate agent that's helping you price the home, keep in mind that prices aren't really going to show up in the stats, but it's more of what we're seeing in the market and more looking at these market indicators. So let's take a look at what we saw. The number of homes sold overall was down 11.8%, right? So I know a lot of our clients have held off selling their homes because they're waiting for the pandemic to be over until they've got a little bit more certainty about where they're going to go. Now, the average sales price was up 7.3% to $384,000. But let's remember what we look at the end of 2020, the average price of the average home under contract was $409,000, right? So if you look at that, that's almost a 5% gain right there at the end of the year compared to the overall stats. Same thing with the average dollars per square foot. We looked at for the entire year is $163, but the average dollars per square foot of the homes that are under contract at the end of 2020 was $172 per square foot. So that tells you that the market has really been appreciating as we enter the last few months of the year. And if you're somebody watching this and we talked maybe in June, July, and you've been holding off, the prices that we are recommending to our clients for this year in 2021 are going to be up 5 or 10%, right? So the median price now is up also 7.6% to $355,000. Remember, that's a good indication of seeing where the entire market has been shifting up from $329,000 in 2019. If we look at what the highest price home that was sold in Cedar Park in 2020 was a $1.145 million home in Breakaway Park. The largest square foot home, the largest size home, was sold in Rancho Brushy Creek at just under 6,000 square feet. And the home that sold with the highest price per square foot was a small one-story home on a large over an acre lot in Shenandoah. So it's not surprising that it sold for a higher dollars per square foot. Remember, these are all just statistics and curiosities and things that are interesting to look at, but they may not apply directly to your home or home that you're thinking about buying. So you really want to rely on a trusted, experienced real estate professional to help you when you're talking about anything in the Cedar Park housing market. Whenever you've got a question about the market or we can help you with your real estate needs in 2021, reach out to me directly at 512-791-7473. Thanks for watching. Take care.